We're going to show you how to create a multi-bootable flash drive using WinSetup, allowing you to install both Windows 7 and Windows 10 from a single USB. This method is quick, efficient, and super easy to follow. Here's what you'll need before we start. A USB flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space. The WinSetup from USB tool. ISO files for both Windows 7 and Windows 10. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Make sure to back up any important files because we'll be formatting the drive. Go to Disk Management or use a partition tool to check that your USB drive is detected and has enough space. Once you've downloaded and installed WinSetup from USB, open the application. You should see your USB drive listed at the top. Select it. Now, let's add the first operating system. Check the box that says Auto-format it with fbinst to prepare your USB drive. Make sure NTFS is selected as the file system. Now, under Windows 2000/XP/2003 Setup, click and navigate to the location where your Windows 7 ISO file is stored. Select it. After adding Windows 7, let's add Windows 10. Scroll down, check the box next to Windows Vista /7/8/10/11/server 2008/2012 based ISO, and again click the button. This time, select the Windows 10 ISO. Once both ISOs are added, double-check everything is correct, then hit Go. The process will begin to make your USB multi-bootable. This could take some time depending on the speed of your USB drive. After the process is done, you can test your multi-bootable USB. Restart your computer, go to the BIOS or boot menu, and choose to boot from USB. You should now see both Windows 7 and Windows 10 as installation options. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-bootable USB flash drive with both Windows 7 and Windows 10 using WinSetup from USB. Now you can install either version from the same USB drive.